Do you wish your TV speakers were a bit louder? Are you more than occasionally asking whoever you're watching with what the character in the movie just said because you couldn't hear it? Do you rely on subtitles? Well, there's only so much your TV speakers can do after all. Thankfully, in this day and age, soundbars exist, and they can improve your craving for a better audio listening experience. Best of all, they don't take up too much space. What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and today we are checking out the new LG SQC2 Sound Bar, sent to us by our friends over at LG Philippines. It's the latest addition to our new living room studio set, and it's definitely improved our experience here at the studio. So what does the LG SQC2 have to offer? It's a 300-watt 2.1 channel soundbar with a wireless subwoofer. That's right, wireless. Who needs cable management when you don't have cables, am I right? This system somewhat turns your living room into a pseudo home theater. Connect it to your 65-inch 4K TV and you're good to go. It's a pretty straightforward setup. Connect your display to the soundbar using the included optical cable. Or if you aren't in the mood to watch a show or movie, you can connect to your device via Bluetooth 4.0. Pair your smartphone up and play some ambient music while reading or studying. What's great about the LG SQC2 soundbar is it also comes with features like Dolby Digital, sound field extension, adaptive sound control, and auto sound engine to improve your listening experience. It's designed to fit almost anywhere in your living room with the 43-inch long subtle design. So even if you have a larger 65-inch TV like this one, it doesn't look out of place. The soundbar comes with its own remote, but you can also use that of other brands. Perfect if you're using a TV from a different brand. So, if you're interested in the LG SQC2 soundbar, it retails for 11,990 pesos. And it's available from LG Philippines' official website or official Lazada and Shopee channel. Anyways, what do you guys think of the LG SQC2 soundbar? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, enjoyable, educational, or interesting, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!